What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are opening an item I've been waiting for quite some time. It's been about a 3-month wait, and I hope that it was worth every bit of that 3 months. But today we are checking out the Ottocast 2-in-1 wireless adapter that does both CarPlay and Android Auto. All right, so here it is. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see how big or how small this unit actually is. Boom. More suspense. There it is. Dun, 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 dun. The Ottocast. Beautiful, nice, slim, small. I like what I see so far. All right, so packaging. Manual. Hi, read me first. Okay, looks like we got a small cable in here. Boom. Let's see, we got 2 cables. All right, there we go. So we've got a USB-C to USB-C. We won't be using that. And we've got a USB to USB-C. So plug that in there. And then we plug that in here. And since it's such a nice, small, compact design, it's not going to take up a lot of space. Plug that in there. There we have it. All right, so now it's game time. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we're gonna get here. So first things first. All right, so there we have it. Pops up Auto 7BDA. I'm gonna select that. Start the pairing process. Boom, baby. There we go. We're pairing. We are pairing. Wow, this is amazing. Continue. Boom, bam, baby, and just like that, there you have it. We are running Android Auto wirelessly. This is amazing. Oh, this is a game changer. We're running Android Auto wirelessly on the Acura NSX. This device can be plugged into any vehicle that has the USB cable where you've got to connect your phone for either CarPlay or Android Auto. So there you have it, folks. Nice compact design. Let's check one more thing before we end this video. So there is also a port in the glove box. I'm going to check that one too to see if we can get connectivity from there as well. So we're waiting for that to boot up here. All right, looks like you only get connectivity from this port right here on the NSX. So go ahead, tuck it in there. I'll probably clean that up, make it nice, neat, tight, so it's out of the way. But there you have it, the Ottocast. Well worth the wait. You can check out their product online. The model is the U2X. Wonderful. Wonderful, beautiful, just like that. I'm in here. I am in here. All right, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this video where we checked out, we unboxed, we installed, we hooked up this Ottocast 2-in-1 adapter. This is an amazing product, well worth the wait. I am very pleased so far off of first impressions. But with that, we're done with this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.